Hi guys, this is Monday, July 1st, 2019, and these are our disgusting skies today here in southern Oregon, north of Medford. I think it's worse than it was yesterday. Today they look like they're microwaving. See, there's a pretty good pattern. It's much cooler today, and I think they're dispelling any chance of rain. Some beautiful thunderheads over there. And here's where I can see most of the microwaving. Total destruction of all our beauty. Still nobody notices a thing. This makes me sick. I've got to do something. All I can think of is what I'm doing now or mass protests. Can't get enough people together in one place to do that, I guess. It'll come. By the time it comes, I think it'll be too late. So, I thought I'd give you a quick look at this. And I hope wherever you are that you're doing better than this today. You all take care.